Oh God, me I wonder where you there. I was waiting on you all day. Look, oh your kid's so big and handsome.
We had a little trouble at the airport. Me ears still a ring off from when we had land. I really love your house, Grandma. It's nice and big and spacious. So how long may I get for stay here?
I wish your father would make you live here permanently. I think it would be the best decision for the both of you, no? How you feel about that? You'll be attending one of the best schools in the area.
Yeah, that's so nice. Play school still, Grandma. I never feel this type of coldness in my life. Is it like this all year round or just sometimes?
It depends on the weather. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. Or sometimes get hot during winter. Karen, this is Anthony's son, Junior. Anthony Jr.
He's so cute.
Thanks, man. Hi.
Karen, what the hell's wrong with you? You think everybody's
No, she
cute?
just feel like everybody in our family is cute. Don't you see my generation is beautiful and handsome? Get over yourself, Andy.
Auntie, you're the cutest of them all.
Oh, just relax, Karen. You keep on embarrassing me in front of all of my family. Like, give it a rest. Wait there. And my grandson, that thing gets so big, man, in favor just like him father.
I was telling them the exact same thing, honey. Look how I'm so handsome. Oh God. And him so intelligent as well.
Well, go on, Grandpa. You look good.
That's a beer steam, okra minyam, beer dumpling, the usual stuff.
Grandfather also runs track. He's very athletic.
Me happy to see you though. Love to see your brother and sister them too.
How is Antonisha? Is she doing well?
But they made a look on her picture on Instagram. The girl bright, you see, man. The whole of my generation just bright. We not go all rich. Just watch and see. Just like me and just like your father.
After that, you not rich, you're funny, Grandpa.
No, well, you don't eat all of your food already. That was fast.
I want KFC. I want KFC. I want KFC. No. KFC. I want KFC. KFC. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Stupid daddy.
Well, you can't say all that. And you're not getting any KFC. Alright? Come. Go relax yourself.
Lift up. Lift up.
Noel, I have to get your brother something to eat. Just wait. Okay? Alright, Nathaniel, what you want to eat? Let's see your mouth here. Okay. Just wait right also. Think your mother left some food in her fridge for you. Not sure. Just wait and me go check, okay?
Ugly baby. Ugly.
Noel, don't talk about your brother like that. That's not nice.
Ugly daddy. Ugly, 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 ugly. Daddy fat. Fat, 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 fat. Big, big, and big, big. Ugly baby.
Oh, you managed to reach all the way out here, sir.
Daddy, me a worry. Must say Diane is still vexed with me after everything me do, you know. Or may I get her to talk back to me? Just kinda mess up, cause I regret everything me do. I wish she would know how sorry me is. I wish she would forgive me.
But I think I know to tell you. I can't tell you whether or not she will forgive you or not. That's up to she at the end of the day. Just for now, try just be our friend for now, you know what I mean? Don't try too hard.
Our friend? I don't know if I can be our friend. I always feel like
If you really love her, you want her to be in our life, you have to at least try to be our friend. Because trust me, she not gonna just forgive so fast. I did something similar to Octavia when we were younger, and I all know Octavia will forgive me. Just try to be our friend. That's all I'm gonna tell you, son. Trust me. Everything else will work out on its own. If we're meant to be, we're meant to be. Come on, now go back to the house before your granny start worrying.
Blue moon, you saw me staring alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love in my own. Hold on. Phone a ring. Oh shit, I missed call. Hold on, Lois. Hello? Hi, Anthony. What? You in Canada? Where? At my school? Oh, God. Alright, may I forward now? Yeah? Yeah, man. I'm just upstairs in the music room. Yeah. Oh, really? That's good for ear still. Alright. Okay. Alright, me let my mother know after school. Yeah. Alright, my soon come downstairs. Just wait there, okay? Yeah, I miss you too. Alright, soon forward. Leave him come already. That was fast. Lois, I soon forward back.
alright, man, take your time. That was nice. So, go and do your thing.
It won't be long. I'm just gonna meet up with somebody downstairs. And I'll come back up here and you'll finish the song, okay?
I know you don't expect my father, but me just when I don't know if you don't want to come downstairs and talk to me. Diana, I'm so sorry about how everything happened between the two of us. I'm really, really sorry. Diana, please, let me talk to you. Diana. Come on now, Diana, please. Just please make we talk. Please, may I beg you.
Yo, you just leave now. She don't want to talk to you, alright?
Yo, who the hell is you, man? My friend me want chat to. What you come up in my face for?
I'm gonna make things worse than what it is. Alright? Just leave her alone. You think you do enough already to her? Go on now, you would? Just bail and leave before you make things get worse than it is. You don't know me.
Look, girl, oh yeah, come home from school so late. Where you been all day? You don't know say anything for clean up the house and do the dishes and everything. You hear me? I talk to you. Hello? I'm myself me I talk to? Look, girl, don't get me vexed, you know?
Why you can't just leave me alone? Alright, me understand, you know, mommy. Me understand say you don't like me. Just come out of my room and leave me
Who the hell you
alone.
think you chat to, look, girl, eh? Who the hell you think you chat to? I want me really go take up.
I figured said this was gonna be a bad idea for come here. Or should I just stay at Jamaica?
So you give up already? Eh?
Thought you shouldn't even want to talk to me.
Well, of course you're not gonna want to talk to you. You and her know each other since we're not baby. You cheat upon her. If you understand something, it not gonna just happen overnight.
You think me not know that? I'm not vex with her, I'm vex. I'm vex with myself, alright? And then she have this youth rough me up.
Eh? What shoot that? What happened exactly? I don't know if this was a bad idea for me to just up there and go look for her. Should I talk to her first about it? My mistake. Oh God, this is like the past repeating itself.
How exactly is this the same daddy? You breed somebody, me never breed nobody. I understand that she vex with me, but
You need to relax yourself.
oh, me can be relaxed, see? The woman who me love, the only girl me ever really love, she didn't even want to talk to me no more. I don't know how exactly I'm supposed to relax with that. I really miss her. Every day she dip on my mind. Every time. I love her more than anything.
Even more than me?
Yeah, if we just go back to Jamaica.
No man, you gotta stay here. I'm gonna work everything out. Trust me, it'll be alright.
So you pick the darkest part of the city to meet up with me?
I used to forget somewhere where your man not there. Figure say a rich and almighty man wouldn't it down there so. You know the ghetto, whatever you want to call it. But anyways,
What? You look so good, Anthony. I'm glad to see you again. But we can't meet up like this all the time, alright?
whatever you say,
actually
you always say
mean it.
that. Me to think about maybe me and one of the picnic them would have live here permanently. Or maybe all of them.
Really?
Can't do without you, Octavia, I'm not lie. I miss you a lot. Really, really love you, Octavia. I know you feel the exact same way about me.
So what you want me to do? You want me to forget about and just leave my husband? And run off with you? And we just...
Exactly, and that what to do.
That is utter madness, Anthony. Come on. Grow up. We cannot be together. And you know that. All of this is just complicated. You should just go back to Jamaica and live your life. Forget about me. I can't give up all of this for start over again. You're mad. I have 2 children for feed. You know that.
I can still hear your heartbeat up home for me.
Anthony is so damn stupid.
So you ready for go to the hotel? I mean, it's not super fancy, but it's nice.